Through this video, we shall be looking at how to register with options online, pick your options, changing the options order of preference, saving your options. We shall also look how to log back into your options online to review or change your options choices. First, log into your school Gmail account. Locate the options online invite email from noreply@sims.co.uk with no subject. Open the email and click the Accept Invitation link inside the green box. Click Sign in with Google. Select your school Gmail account. Click Register. Input your date of birth, then click Verify. Please be patient while the account is created. The screen may look blank for some time. Once your account is logged in, you can select your options by clicking on the course name. Click on 3 courses, then click 1 reserve. On the right of your screen, you can change your order of preference. To change the order, select the course you wish to change and select the location you wish it to be. You must then select an enrichment course and reserve. There is no requirement to fill in any student comments or to tick the parental carer approval checkbox. Once complete, scroll to the top of the page and click Save. A green Choices have been saved bar should be displayed. You can then close the tab. To review or change your option choices, please visit sims-options.co.uk. You may have to log back in with your school Gmail account. You do not need to use your invite link. You can then make your choices. Remember, if you have made changes, to click the Save button before closing the browser window. You can then close the browser window.